Hey guys, welcome back to another video straight out of content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, we are going to let you guys know about our brand new, it's already on the website, 22 by 12 UVDTF gang sheet. It's only $19.99, guys. 20 bucks, same price as our regular 22 by 24 apparel DTF sheet. But in this video, I'm also going to let everybody else out there know, if this is your first time tuning in, that we offer 3 gang sheet products: sublimation, apparel, regular DTF, and UVDTF. So let's go ahead, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so if you do not know, we are Flash Custom Transfers, and I use my channel straight out of content to talk about my business that my wife and I built. So right now, we got really big in the world of DTF. Last year, we did hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales, retail-wise, and we really blew up as a company, Flash Custom Transfers. And this right here is the traditional gang sheet that we blew up with. This is called a DTF, that stands for direct to film gang sheet. This is how we print our product. This gang sheet is 22 by 24. If it fits, we will print. And you are not required to have your gang sheet already set up. We set that up for you for free. We are kind of the game industry leaders in that, setting up gang sheets for free, whereas most places, you have to already have your gang sheet set up before you send it to the website. And if you send them just an image, they're gonna just print the image the way that it comes. And then you kind of find out in the end what happened. Like, oh my God, why did they only print this? Why didn't they let me know? And as you can see with this gang sheet, the reason I wanted to use it, because this embroidery effect is like really starting to kind of come out there now. And we've been doing it for a very long time. We have it here. We can also do it in UVDTF, and we can do it in apparel DTF, and we can also do it here in sublimation. This is a sublimation gang sheet. So I'm gonna kind of start the beginning of the video letting you guys know about our brand new UVDTF, Flash UV is the name of our company. And if you do not know, UVDTF is for hard surfaces. So as you can see right here, glass. We also have other videos on the channel where we did my car windshield and my Kia. We put Flash UV on top of that. And we have another video coming soon where we're gonna replace the Subscribe, which was done in Oracle 651 vinyl on the back of my Kia. We replaced it with our new UVDTF. And if you need a sample, you can purchase a sample, free shipping, UVDTF sample right here for only 15 bucks. So we have a new price because a lot are traditional 22 by 24 gang sheet. Again, we're the first company out there with a UVDTF gang sheet. Anytime you purchase UVDTF, and 99% of people are doing it either off of Etsy or Facebook Marketplace or something like that, you are having to purchase pre-made UVDTF wraps. But as far as UVDTF gang sheets, again, Flash Custom Transfers is leading the industry with that. This is your gang sheet. This is it, 22 by 24. And this gang sheet is $45. If you are a Flash Plus member and you pay $8.99 a month, you get this gang sheet that you see right here for only $39.99. Now, we were like, okay, is this too expensive for people out there? We know, stuff's going on with the economy. What can we do to accommodate those people who just want to kind of try, who kind of want more than just a sample, but kind of don't need this much space? Because again, this isn't going on apparel. All UVDTF is for hard surfaces. So you don't necessarily need large images like 10 by 14 or something like that, like you would do like this Canelo image right here. You wouldn't necessarily do this for UVDTF. You'd be doing like mugs, cups, back of cell phone cases, you know what I mean? Stuff like that, cup wraps. So we decided to offer a 22, so it's still the same width across, 22, but by 12. So half of this sheet right here, 22 by 12, you can now get on the website for $19.99, the same price as our traditional DTF gang sheets. So we really want to lead the industry there, letting you guys know that now you can get UVDTF for just 20 bucks, obviously plus shipping, but if the more you get, the shipping price doesn't change. And for those people out there who are Flash Plus members, we decided to give you guys the ultimate deal. You are gonna get a 22 by 12 for $16.99. So the same deal that the Flash Plus members, again, thank you to all of our Flash Plus members. I think we're like this close to hitting 100 members, 100 people who are subscribed to the channel, who are subscribed to Flash Custom Transfers, and they are getting amazing deals. So thank you to all of those people out there. But if you don't know, and you're not a Flash Plus member, those Flash Plus members are getting gang sheets for $16.99. Now they're gonna get 22 by 12 UVDTF gang sheets for $16.99 as well, because they're paid members. And if you are a paid member and you're a Flash Plus member, remember, you never go to the website to order. You come directly to us at order now at flashcustomtransfers.com, and you are going to get VIP access right to us. And don't forget, you also get shipping, cheaper shipping as well. If you're not a member, it's $13. If you are a member, your shipping is only $10, and all your expedited shipping processes are also discounted as well. So if you're a Flash Plus member, we really built that system to help out those people who are out there hustling, who are trying to turn this into a side business and get into the process until they can leave their job. So that's what those Flash Plus members. If you're a Flash Plus member, you're trying to leave your 9 to 5. So that's the big product that we have, guys. Please go to the website, spam the comments, let us know down below if you have any other questions of how to set up your gang sheet or something like that, because it's very simple. We have a lot of videos of how to set up your gang sheet in Canva Pro. But if you don't have Canva Pro and you don't really know what you're doing, please just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, and all you have to do is send us your images and we will set it up for you, even before you purchase, because once you're messaging us through email, we will help you out, and then we will send you an invoice at the end once you confirm your product. A very different process than everybody else out there. Again, a lot of people talk about our $19.99 gang sheets versus some other companies who might have like $15 gang sheets or something like that. But remember, we have no setup fees and we help you set up. So that's the big difference. Our fees are already built into each price of this sheet. So again, we are here to help everybody out there really get to understand the business. And if you happen to go somewhere else and purchase from another DTF manufacturer, something like that, fine, but at least we know that we helped you out to learn. So moving on to step 2, or part 2 of this entire video, and I won't be long, is just to let you guys know that we offer 3 products here at Flash Custom Transfers. A lot of people are not aware of that, and you rarely see sublimation. We have a viral video back last year in February. We filmed a video of me throwing away my sublimation printer, my converted sublimation Epson 2720 printer away at our former store back when we used to have the store. And that video went viral because it made a lot of people upset, like, oh, why are you talking about sublimation? It's better than DTF, and I like the way it feels and all this other stuff. Yes, but there is a cap, right? There is a cap but we do offer, I do want to let people know that we do offer $14.99 for this right here. This is sublimation. So we do offer sublimation gang sheets. Again, we're the first to do that as well. If you are getting sublimation right now, you're having to get like the 8x11 sheets, or you're having to convert your printer and go through all of those issues. We have many videos on how to fix your printer on the channel, this channel, and Flash Custom Transfer, so you can check that out if you did the same thing like us, trying to convert a printer to sublimation, and then it gets clogged. But I want everybody else out there to know that we offer and manufacture sublimation gang sheets, and people do buy them. Again, as you see right here for the tumblers, if you want to put your tumbler template and then put your sublimation image on here, you set it up the same way that you set up your regular apparel DTF gang sheets. So I just wanted everybody else out there to know that this, if you are not a member, I'll give you the prices for the non-members. Sublimation gang sheet is $14.99. If you do sublimation, if you press on 100% white polyester, sublimation is for you. Or if you have polyester or whatever sublimation goes into, like accessories, you can do that with sublimation. We offer that product. Our star product, the apparel DTF right here, this is $19.99, 22 by 24. And we have our new product, UVDTF, for all hard surfaces. It's not just limited to cups. Again, we are going to be showing you guys some really awesome things that you're able to do with UVDTF, especially on cars, on buildings, on doors, you name it, we're going to show you. So this sheet right here is $45 for the 22 by 24. Again, we help you set everything up. So we just want to just kind of get back to the basics, because not a lot of people know that we offer all 3 of these products. And again, if you want a sample, if you want a apparel DTF sample, which this right here, this big thing right here, this is regular apparel DTF. And let me show you how strong this is. Look at that. I'm pulling on that. This is very old. If you guys can actually leave a comment down below. I will give a free sheet to the person that finds this video on the channel. You have to screenshot it and then you have to send it to me on IG. I will give 5 people 5 free sheets. If you find this video of when I made this, and send it, screenshot it, send it to me on Instagram straight, out of content on Instagram. I think it's out of content on Instagram. It's very weird when I had to make the name. But you go on there and you show me the video of when I made this to show you, to let you guys know how old this is and how many times I've been washing this. Because a lot of people ask, what is the wash time? What is the wash time? This thing is over a year old, or I think if it's not over a year old, I think when he fights again in May, it'll be 1 year. But I want to say it's about a year old. But as you can see, it's not cracking, it's not fading, it's not doing anything. You're not doing this with any other product. And our Flash UV, printed from the printers that we have, the commercial grade, all the big printers that we have, allow your product to be this durable. So I know that there's a lot of people out there saturating the market and doing a lot of things right now in the world of regular apparel DTF, but we are actually a bigger company, a well-rounded company, because not only can we manufacture and get you a quality product, DTF product in your hands, we can also get you a sample. This sample right here is only 13 bucks, shipped to you free. We also have UVDTF for all hard surfaces, a gang sheet, so you can create a custom product. And we also have sublimation as well, if you wanted to create a custom sublimation gang sheet. Whatever you can send us, we will see if it fits. If it fits, we will print. And don't forget, we now will make shirts. So if you have a shirt order that you need knocked down in a short amount of time, and you got and it's over 25 shirts, we do shirt orders, 25 minimum, and we do, we can do anything. In fact, I just think we just purchased 30 shirts right now. So stay tuned for that video when we show us pressing these 30 shirts that we got to do for this barbershop as we ramp up that production. Embroidery as well. We can do it all. We're a well-rounded shop and we can do anything that you need. Just contact us, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Remember, we have 3 transfer products: sublimation, apparel DTF, UVDTF, all manufactured by us. All the prices are on the website. You can contact us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com if you have any questions. And remember, you are not responsible for setting up your gang sheet with us. Does it make it faster if you set up your gang sheet? Of course. If you know how to set up your gang sheet and send it to us, it makes the process super simple. All we're gonna do is check it in AI, screenshot it, send it back to you. If you approve, we will start the printing and keep it moving. But for the people out there who are watching this video for the first time, for the people out there who aren't so tech savvy, do not worry about other companies. Do not worry that your images aren't correct. Do not ask any further questions to yourself. Take those questions that you have, put them in the email at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers. That link will be in the description below, so you can see the email. Please email us all of your questions. If you are ready to start your business in the transfer world, not just on t-shirts, we will help you create your full custom transfer business. So don't just think that a lot of companies out here, they either do sublimation, they don't do DTF. They do DTF, they don't do UVDTF. They may do UVDTF on Etsy and then dabble with an at-home DTF printer and an at-home sublimation. No, all of our equipment is commercial grade. All of our equipment is commercial grade. All of our equipment is at a big warehouse and we manufacture it for you. So we are here to sell you a product for a very low price for you to turn around and sell the product at a very high price, or whatever price you can afford, or whatever price makes sense in your area. A price in Maine is going to be a lot different than a price in Louisiana. And a price in Louisiana is going to be a lot different than a price in California, as California and New York City are probably the most expensive places in the country. So guys, and people out there in Canada, we ship to Canada as well. So I just want to sum up this video, let you know we have 3 products. If you have any questions, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Share this video, share this content. Let everybody know that Flash Custom Transfers has your back. You can come here to this one-stop company and you can get all of these products to then sell on your platform to your customer base. So if you are already making t-shirts, if you are already doing t-shirts, these are the products that you need to not only facilitate those orders, but to now sell the product, these transfers, to those people so that they can make the stuff on their end as well, okay? All right, guys, remember, if you have any questions, email me at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. In the subject line, just put attention Carl. 3 product video. And don't forget, if I see 5 people in my Instagram, you guys send me a screenshot of the video where I wore this, showing you how strong this is. This has been over a year. Look at that. You're not doing this with any other product. Those DTF hack products, where the people are using the film, the powder and stuff like that, those hack products are not withstanding like this. It's gonna wash off. This thing is very old. This is, I wanna say it's a year old. It's been washed a numerous amount of time. So, all right guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Be basic, peace.